What's up, guys? It's Saturday morning. While I'm waiting for Singlai to get her coconut juice, coconut water. Thought I'd show you right here next door the Wolf Cyber Cafe. This place is always busy. They do a very brisk business. Cambodian youth love to come here and play computer games. The reason for that is probably because they have the internet speeds to handle that. And a lot of people just can't afford that speed at home. Got some rain yesterday. If you look on Stitcher Gary's YouTube video, his last YouTube video, you'll see that he mentioned it too. It was a really refreshing rain. It hasn't rained here in a long time that I can recall, like a really long time. And that felt really good. It did cool things down some. Even today there's a nice breeze. It's overcast. Feels pretty nice. The place I get my hair cut. Wanted to mention this. Got my hair cut right here. You see they got fancy new doors. They got fancy new doors and everything. A nice little symbol right there. That thing looks pretty cool right there. I like it. Look at that. Yes. It's a good place to get your hair cut. They do a very good job for only $2.50. And it's right around the corner from my apartment, so I like that a lot. Teaching has, of course, been keeping me busy, which is not a complaint. I like it. The classes I have in my apartment are just awesome group of students. Whether it's the morning class, the night classes, they're great. My afternoon classes, the people that come just 2 days a week. They're really eager to learn, and they put in the work and the effort in class, and it pays off. We took a little grammar assessment test last night, and I was really happy with the results so far. How much they knew, how much they've learned. It's always good to see. People have been asking me, like, I get this several times. Say you should show your face more. You should point the camera at yourself sometimes when you're walking around. And that's just really not my style. And one of the reasons it's not my style is because of this. Brace yourself. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, now that you're over the shock of seeing that, you understand why I don't want to put my face on camera a lot. I'm not a very photogenic individual. And I think more people would rather see the sights around me than actually look at me talk for any length of time. I don't blame them. Someone asked me where they could buy a safe. You know, a regular safe to put your valuables in town. And that was a good question because I never thought about it. I never needed one. So I did do some looking around, and I didn't find anything. And come to think of it, I've never seen a safe for sale as far as I can recall in the markets or stores or anything else. I'm sure you can. I would just have no idea where to go find one. So just when you think you know a lot, you realize, I don't know that. I did not know that. Just taking a little walk up Wat Bo Road. I'm still recovering a bit. I was actually sick for the majority of the week. I had a really bad cold, head cold. My throat was really sore. My nose was all stuffed up. My ears were plugged. Blowing my nose a lot. I think I still sound a little stuffy. And when I hear my voice, it sounds a little nasally, like a little stuffy still. But one of the good things about the school I work at is on Tuesday I said I'm not going to be able to come in. I'm sick. Doing the adults is one thing, teaching the adults is one thing. Because they were there to learn. It's a lesson plan. You're just teaching. But with kids it's different because you have to be part entertainer. You have to be entertaining, keep their attention. Some of them are there simply because their parents make them go. They really have no interest in being there. So you have to do extra effort and extra work to keep their attention. And I just wasn't ready to deal with that. I was coughing and all that good stuff. Or all that bad stuff. Plus, I don't know who it was, but I'm pretty sure one of them gave me something. Because, you know, if you have children, you will probably verify this. They can't be disgusting little human beings. But anyway, I said Tuesday I couldn't make it. And they said, oh, that's okay. Just take an extra day. Take 2 days. It's okay. We'll find a replacement. One of our Khmer teachers will take the class for 2 days. So that was pretty cool of them. Gave me time to get some rest, and all I had was my morning and night classes at my apartment. And like I said, that's pretty easy. Yeah. Something in my mouth. Yeah, and that's pretty easy as far as teaching goes. Because as I said earlier, they're great students and they are there to learn. And believe it or not, that really does make teaching job a whole lot easier. Having students that want to learn as much as you want to teach is a really good combination. Yeah, well, I think I showed this before, the wine shop. Mr. Grill Wine and Spirits. Let's go take a look at what Mr. Grill, or yeah, Mr. Grill Wine and Spirits has to offer. I'm guessing wine and spirits. And I would be right. There we go. There we go. See some gin on top. Different kinds of wine on the bottom. There's some Merlot, Bordeaux, Cabernet Sauv. All the usual suspects. No thing lies, she's still waiting across the street. And we have Gloria Jeans copies. I've heard they're really good. I haven't been in there yet. But I have heard good things about them. Yeah, got some road work going on over there. Fixing up the roads. What else do we have? Lina papaya salad. A papaya salad stand. If you've never had papaya salad, I would highly recommend it. Very tasty and spicy. Probably go back home in a little while. Sung-Lai didn't really want to come out. But like I said, I hadn't been feeling well, and I've been basically holed up in my apartment for the last few days. Just felt like getting out. Curie nets. It's like a 24-hour-a-day workspace kind of, where you can get online and get some things done. I'm sure that was there before, but I don't remember it.
Take pictures, so I will.
Here we go. You can go ahead and pick yourself some fruit. Another little cafe, coffee stand. Yeah. That place looks pretty nice. Yeah, it's a pretty nice street. Not as talkative as I usually am, because I'm trying to not strain my throat. Having a sore throat really sucks. It really does. Especially since I gotta like save it for my classes and all that. Lily's Secret Garden. The secret. Well, not really. Everybody knows. This is a great place to eat. Really cheap. Oh, I don't think we're gonna get through that way. Oh, look at it up there. This is a, yep, this is a jam. This is a traffic jam. Sung-Lai is going to show me the, I guess, yeah. Yeah, we're not going to get down that road easily. So we'll go down this little dirt road. Over here is the back end of Wat Bo Pagoda. As you can see, Nice pagoda in there. This is the back end. Oftentimes, areas and neighborhoods will be named after the main pagodas in the area. So that's why the area I live in and the surrounding area is known as the Wat Bo area, because that's the name of the pagoda right here. Now the name Wat Bo Road, which is the intersecting street of Street 20 where I live, Wat Bo is not actually on that road. The road it's actually on is named something else. So that might have been a little oops-a-doodle. Might confuse some people. If they think, well, I want to find Wat Bo, I can just go up Wat Bo Road. That is not the case. You can get you can go down there. I've been in there before. This is the Heritage Hub. And you can get to the front of Wat Bo if you walk through there. It goes all the way to the front. See the temple right there. They have a couple different temple buildings inside. Yeah, right around the corner from the pagoda, you can buy yourself some Crown Stout and holy materials. They're shoes, but they must be holy. Maybe they give you special blessing if you buy your shoes from holy materials. Maybe your feet are blessed then. I don't know. Alright, we're going to head back home now. This is just a little walk and talk, telling you what's been going on. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.